Hi guys, post bag time. There is something in here, just about there. This is to fix the sound activated Wooden Dinosaur. Yes, it is in there. Yeah, that's it. Now, what I'm hoping, I'll just take you off the tripod. Yeah, what I'm hoping is that we'll be able to replace that one on there, because apparently it's not working. It may not be a problem with the microphone. It might be one of the resistors in circuit that's faulty. But it's easy enough to actually replace that microphone. So that's what we'll do. I think they have a positive and negative side. I'm not sure, but I think they do. So no need to watch me soldering it in. I'll desolder that one, put that one in, and see if it makes any difference. Soldering done. There's the old one, looks a bit crusty. New one's on there, just there, nice and shiny. So it's already switched on. If I clap my hands, it should react. So I will clap my hands. That is so satisfying. I really didn't think that one of those could go faulty, but clearly it did. We've replaced it. I mean, it's vaguely possible it may have just needed resoldering in place, but anyway, we've replaced it. It now works. I need to put that back in there where it's directly soldered to the battery contacts. If you missed previous episodes, this has been stored up in my loft for, I think it was 5 years, and I'd left the batteries in it. So obviously they'd leaked and corroded. It sits that way up, so that means what leaked out of there leaked down onto the circuit board, which accounted for that looking pretty ropey. I think we've got off lightly. I think it's, well, it appears to still work. I had to replace the on-off switch, that had gone, and I've resoldered quite a few bits and pieces. Temporarily, I got it rigged up to that small LiPo battery, which is 4.2 volts. Normally it'd have 3 AAA batteries in there, so it would normally be 4.5 volts. It works fine off that. This does look a little bit messy. I mean, considering batteries had leaked for 5 years in there, they got off lightly, I think. I think they will still work, especially if I clean them up and put a bit of grease on them so they don't go any worse. But yeah, it clearly works. I need to put it all back together again. We'll do that, and then we'll have another video. I won't bother videoing putting it back together again. I'm happy. And he's happy. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.